Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make sure it works. So I'm going to go to the game on Steam, and here I'm going to look for my game, Left 4 Dead 2. I'm going to click play. Okay, so now let's load it. To check, what you want to do is go to extras, addons. This is where all the addons are gonna go. Usually the newest ones are at the bottom, like this. So I just got that one, and this is how I know I installed it correctly. If you want to disable something from here because it's conflicting, then you just click the check mark and it will disappear. When you download another campaign, map, skin, or anything that you download as an add-on or mod, to make sure that you restart the game if you have it started already. That way it refreshes and it actually shows it. Otherwise it's not going to show. So make sure you restart the game or install everything you need to install before starting the game. So yes, now to see, I'm gonna check, I'm gonna make a new lobby, and here's where you choose your campaigns. You're gonna go down to add-on campaign. Now here, of course, it's only gonna show campaigns, it's not gonna show single maps, so just keep that in mind. And this is the one I just downloaded. They called it a map on the website, but it shows here as a campaign for some reason. Maybe it was a typo, but select it. And here you want to make sure that it is on local server, because usually add-on campaigns or maps do not have official dedicated servers. They need to be installed on that server in order for it to work. So yeah, just make sure you have that selected. Then you click create. Here, well, just invite friends and everything here. Select difficulty, choose character. Make sure that if you want to invite some friends that they do have the campaign or the map, the add-on, or anything you need, because otherwise they won't be able to join you. Now, just for those of you who don't know, sometimes if they can't connect to you on your local server because it tells them an error about consistency with the file. It happens a lot to me. So if it kicks you, like let's say somebody invites you to their local server and it kicks you for saying, you know, you need to have their add-ons in order to play with them. If it's just like a skin for a model or a weapon, then the error is going to tell you. It's going to say rifle something or hunter or something, the name of what you need to have. So if you don't have it, then you need to tell the host to type this for you. SV consistency 0, and that's, they need to type that. I'm going to show you where, in case they don't know. You want to make sure that for that command you have this enabled, the developer console, which is this window right here. Now for that, you're gonna wanna go to options, keyboard and mouse, allow developer console, and make sure it's enabled. That's all there is to it. Click done, and then to enable it, to actually make that appear, you're gonna need to type the tilde key to the left of number 1 on your keyboard. It's gonna be the first key in the set of numbers on your keyboard. So you just press that, and on this window you tell them to type SV consistency 0 and then press enter. Now after that's done, just tell them to let you know when they do that, and then now you can join their game, because you don't have to have that consistency with the models. So yes, that's just one tip of the game. It's something you might need to do. So now I'm going to explain to you how to load a single map. I just showed you how to do a campaign. You could just test it. If you want to test it, just do single player. Now for a map, you need to have the developer console enabled. So once you enable it, again press the tilde key, and here you're gonna type map and then space, and then you're gonna type the name of the map that you just downloaded. So you gotta make sure you know the name. It was, in this case I downloaded one called Nothing Lasts. So that's the name of the map I downloaded. I was gonna put the one for Raccoon City, but that's a campaign. So yeah, it's just map, and then you can also see the ones for Steam, caves, drainage. That's all that comes with the game. So just press the down arrow key to go through all the maps that you want. Now if you want to use a Steam map, here's the best place to do it, because if you're a cheater and you want to use some cheats like infinite ammo and stuff, you just want to kill some zombies forever, then you do that. You do map and then choose the map, press enter. Once it loads, once you're in the game, then you're gonna type SV cheats 1 and then press enter, and that's gonna allow the cheats. But you gotta make sure that you do the map command so that it's your own local server. And then after that there's some cheats like God 1, and that's gonna make you invincible and stuff like that. But that's another tutorial for another day. Just letting you know what the point is of typing map, besides just loading one map. You can do so many things with this console, so make sure you have it enabled. So yeah, that's all there is to this. Now after this, if you wanna make the game even more fun, you gotta download this right here. It's the mutation mod, which is gonna allow you to play all the official mutations, Get Fest, Heart 8. Plus it's gonna give you custom mutations like, you know, fully charged, which is just tons of chargers coming at you and kicking some butt. So yeah, that's pretty fun, and this is gonna make the game even more fun than it already is. So yeah, for that you're gonna go back to the website here. The easiest way that I found to search for this mod is to type mutation on the search bar here, because it's easier to type than to type all this name right here. This is the first result here. Click, and then you're gonna do the same thing you did with the other campaign. Download here, download again, type the code V7E, download. And I already had it, so I'm gonna go back to the download folder. Now you're gonna right click and extract here, and that's gonna give you this file right here. On this file you're gonna right click, cut. Again, the same idea. So you're gonna cut it, then you're gonna go back to your drive, program files, Steam apps, common, Left 4 Dead 2, addons. Right click, paste it. Now I already have it here, and remember, make sure that your game is not running, or if it is, make sure you restart it after you install this add-on here, this mod. Once you do, then you're gonna see this right here. And to make a campaign, it's the same idea. Select it, then you go down here to the settings, create a game lobby. There it is, fully charged, normal. Tell your friends to get this mod because it's really fun, and that way they can play with you, otherwise they won't be able to play with you. And also remember, on game settings, make sure this is on local server, otherwise it's not gonna work. It's only gonna work for the official mutations, it's not gonna work for the custom ones. And that's all there is to this. After this, you start the game, choose your character, start the game, and that's all it is. I hope this was helpful, and enjoy your mutations.